Good afternoon. You have reached the City Transport Lost and Found office. My name is Anna. How can I help you?
Hello, Anna. My name is Mark. I am calling because I think I have lost something on one of your buses. I'm feeling very worried.
Hello, Mark. Please try not to worry. You have called the right place, and I will do everything I can to help you. It is very common for people to leave things on the bus.
Thank you. That makes me feel a little better. I just got off the bus about 30 minutes ago, and I realized my wallet is not in my pocket. I am almost certain I left it on my seat.
I understand. That is a very stressful feeling. We will create a lost item report right now, and hopefully we can locate it for you.
I would really appreciate that. I don't know what I would do without my wallet. It has everything in it.
I completely understand your concern. To create the report, I will need to ask you for a few important details about your journey. This will help us to identify the correct bus.
Of course. I will do my best to remember everything. What information do you need?
First of all, do you know the number of the bus you were on? The route number is usually displayed on the front of the bus.
Yes, I'm sure it was the number 8 bus. I take it every day to go to the city center.
The number 8 bus. Perfect. And do you know which direction the bus was traveling in? Was it going towards the city center or away from the city center?
It was going towards the city center. I got on at the stop by the park and got off at the stop on Maple Avenue, right in front of the main library. I got off the bus at about 2 o'clock this afternoon.
Okay, that is excellent, clear information. So, a report for an item lost on the number 8 bus traveling towards the city center around 2 o'clock. Now, I need you to describe the item you lost. You said it was your wallet?
Yes, it is my wallet. It is a very standard men's wallet.
Can you please describe the outside of the wallet for me in as much detail as possible? Think about the color, the material, and any special features. This is very important for identification.
Of course. It is a brown leather wallet. The color is a dark brown, like chocolate. The material is real leather, and it is quite soft.
Dark brown leather. Okay. Is it new or old? Does it have any specific marks or a brand name on it?
It is a few years old, so it looks a little bit worn. The corners are slightly faded, and there is a small, thin scratch on the front, near the bottom right corner. I don't think there is a brand name visible. It's a bifold wallet, meaning it folds in half.
A dark brown, worn, bifold leather wallet with a small scratch on the front. That is a very good description. Thank you. Now, I need to ask about the contents. What was inside the wallet?
This is the important part. It had my driver's license in it, with my name and photograph. It also had my 2 main bank cards, a credit card and a debit card.
Okay, a driver's license and 2 bank cards. Have you already contacted your bank to cancel those cards? That is a very important step to take as soon as possible.
Yes, that was the first thing I did before I called you. I have already canceled them, so nobody can use them.
That is very responsible of you. Was there anything else inside the wallet? Any cash, for example?
Yes, there was some cash. I think there was about 40 euros in there,
one 20-euro note and two 10-euro notes. And there was also a small folded photograph of my dog, a golden retriever.
40 euros in cash and a photo of your dog. These details are very helpful for making a positive identification if the wallet is found. I have one more question about the situation. Do you remember where you were sitting on the bus?
Yes, I do. I almost always try to sit in the same area. I was sitting on the left-hand side of the bus.
The left-hand side. And were you near the front, the middle, or the back of the bus?
I was about halfway down the bus, so in the middle section. I was in a window seat, and there was nobody sitting in the aisle seat next to me.
A window seat on the left, in the middle of the bus. That is perfect. I will add this information to the report. It can help the cleaning staff or the driver to know where to look first.
I am almost certain I took it out of my pocket to get my bus pass, and then I must have put it down on the empty seat next to me instead of back in my pocket.
So now that you have all this information, what happens next? What is the process for finding lost items?
I will explain the whole process to you so you know exactly what to expect. I have now created an official lost item report in our computer system with all the details you have given me.
Okay, so my report is in the system.
Yes. Now, when a bus finishes its route for the day and returns to the depot, the driver is required to do a quick walkthrough of the bus to check for any items that passengers have left behind.
So the driver might find it this evening.
It is possible. After the driver's check, the bus also gets a more thorough cleaning overnight. The cleaning crew is trained to look for lost items. Any items that are found, either by the driver or the cleaners, are placed in a secure bag. That bag is then delivered here to our central Lost and Found office the following morning.
So, all the items found yesterday will arrive at your office this morning, and all the items found today will arrive at your office tomorrow morning. Is that correct?
That is exactly right. We receive the deliveries from all the city depots between 9 and 10 o'clock every morning. Then, my colleagues and I spend the next few hours sorting, cataloging, and logging all the items into our system.
I see. So even if the driver finds my wallet this evening, you will not have it in your office until sometime tomorrow.
That is correct. Therefore, there is no need for you to call us again today, as we would have no new information for you. The best time to check on the status of your report is tomorrow.
What time tomorrow should I call back?
I would recommend calling back tomorrow afternoon, perhaps around the same time as now, at 2 or 3 o'clock. By then, we will have processed all the items that came in from the depots in the morning, and we will be able to tell you if a wallet matching your description was among them.
Okay, that is very clear. I will not call again today. I will call back tomorrow afternoon. I have my fingers crossed that you will have good news for me. What happens if you do find it?
If we are able to confirm that we have your wallet, the next step would be for you to come and collect it.
Where is your office located? Would I come here to this office?
Yes, our office is located at the central bus station, on the ground floor. We are open to the public from 10 in the morning until 6 in the evening on weekdays.
And what would I need to bring with me to prove that the wallet is mine?
That is a very important question. To collect a valuable item like a wallet, you will need to present a form of photo identification. Since your driver's license is in the lost wallet, you could bring your passport or a national identity card.
I can bring my passport. That is no problem.
Perfect. When you arrive, you will just show me your passport, and I will ask you to sign a collection form. Then I will be able to give your wallet back to you.
That all sounds very organized and secure. I have one more question. If you find the wallet and my driver's license is inside with my name on it, will you try to contact me?
Yes, we always try to do that. If we find an item that has clear contact information, we will attempt to call the owner. That is why I need to take your details for the report.
I would really appreciate that. It would be wonderful to receive a call from you.
Could you please give me your full name as it would appear on your driver's license?
Of course. My full name is Mark Taylor. That's M-A-R-K, Taylor, T-A-Y-L-O-R.
Thank you, Mark. And could I please have a contact phone number where we can reach you?
Yes, my mobile number is 067-688-9990.
Thank you, Mark. Let me just repeat that back to you to ensure I have it correctly. Your name is Mark Taylor, and your phone number is 067-688-8990.
Yes, that is all perfectly correct.
Excellent. I have now completed your lost item report. The reference number for your case is 4582B. You can mention this number when you call back tomorrow, but your name will also be fine.
4582B. I will write that down. I know there is no guarantee, but do you think there is a good chance that my wallet will be found and returned?
I can't make any promises, but in my experience, the majority of items, like wallets, are found by our staff and returned to this office. Our drivers and cleaners are very honest and diligent, so please try to stay positive.
I will try my best. Thank you so much for your time, your patience, and your very clear explanations, Anna. You have been incredibly helpful during a very stressful moment.
You are very welcome, Mark. It is my job to help. I wish you the best of luck, and I hope to be speaking with you again tomorrow with some good news.